Hi guys, just pulled up at Balandra Beach. Was hoping to do a little cookout today. I will still do a cookout, but we wouldn't be able to go on the beach because look at that. I was hoping to bring my grill down there. The water is all the way in. So I guess we'll have to improvise. I am. Hey. Got this dog. One leg is missing, but he's still thriving. Just gonna set up the grill right now to do some jerk. Dog, what you want? I have no food as yet. Wash off the cover by the in the sea. She's gonna let me know she don't know where I brought her. It's not my fault. The tide come in. Come Talia, catch the fire. Come and teach you how to catch a fire. So put the coals, you want to put the coals in the thing, you're leaving that thing half open to the bottom. What is again? Oh, this supposed to be now. Steady. Rock that, lick them together. No, it's a bigger coal, I'll lick it together. That's fine, let's throw all. Throw all. There are actually other people here who turn up, yes? And you know, we could all look at people down there, man. Yeah, we could actually, no, that sign says only fishermen beyond that point. Look at people down there, we could actually go and get a little dip afterwards, you know what I mean? Yeah. So it catch one time. Alright, hold it. Let me see why I can do. Hold it. Hold it. I don't really want my phone to block up, you know.
Here, Tisha, come and hold this now.
Right. So we're gonna catch a fire, guys.
So you hear me now.
Yeah, where big piece of coal then? That piece of thick some. Bombard, look there. Move! You see that? You realize what now went on? Everything unattended and the trail back turned to south. So you have to be alert. She don't know what somebody go on, Talia, go on over there, Selico. Talia, go on by there, Selico.
Over there. Yeah.
And watch the thing.
I was watching it though.
So what the fella say? Just leave this stuff is sturdy, you know. Who left this sturdy? Because next thing we start jerk and the something fall apart, you know what I mean? You know long me not come and see that? I haven't been to the beach in ages. middle. I'm gonna have to catch a fire. It's so good. I've got to make some first, you know.
So you have that home off to get to right now?
Yeah, boy. You know, I could go and walk and look some dry wood. What do you think? To encourage the fire to catch. Huh? I'm gonna need that matches. Fire now, thing of sun.
Like really.
What go on you so like my chicken or jerk today or what?
Chicken or jerk today.
Chicken or jerk today.
Popcorn on your
So I'm gonna put that little tin piece here. You can do first. It's a plastic, you know, plastic is helping to catch.
What is going on?
Lifting up this crossway.
You know, winning survival.
Of course. But you know they don't the person who deserve to win on Survivor, they don't let them win. Because people form alliances and all these things. But yeah. The minute talk too soon.
You see that water? Hey guys, welcome back to the video. You know we have to video her. Look at her. Should have win on Survivor, I know. Oh, she like that. Look, look, look. You see? Authenticity. But look at the sea. Look at the sea. Yes. Tell you.
That does act as the fan, you know, we usually use a fan to ignite it kind of thing. Fine. Windy, so that helps.
We can't apparently light the fire, so she asks people and she'll pick up stick to light it. Look like you should get a paper aluminum something.
Found some stuff. Oh, for this. I found some stuff that I think could help me with the fire, guys.
You're lucky you find that coconut thing.
And see this I swear to God, this thing catching up one thing, you know. Fire not easy to catch up. Oh. That is it. That is it. Come on, fire. Don't disappoint us right now. Alright, is something else?
Relax and get.
Look at this, I take cool and on fire, start to blaze. Woo, look at that water. Start to blaze, fire, start to blaze.
Start to blaze. Continue lighting.
But ask him man if you have some picture, no?
You want him.
Tell her these people.
And then I'm watching see if I actually guys start.
Me give up.
Let me try now, let me try.
Oh, wow. Don't light no more. Throw the stick in it. Guys, so I link a fisherman on the beach and he gave me some gas oil. So we're gonna light it now with some gas. I never light a fire with gas before, so let's see how this works. That is gas, eh? Move. Move. Look at that. Woo. Easy does it. That's gas, guys. Feel you need to throw some more of that good.
That's all. The phones cannot catch up now.
Right. Woo! Clean.
We got thing on pan. So one.
Keep, yeah. Alright, thanks, yeah man. First is to the top in the middle and keep fanning it. Right. From the side. No. Take from the side, the outside, the small pieces. Right. And rest it on top in the middle and keep fanning so everything catch. And then that boat coming in.
That will be about all after 3-4 and thing.
Oh. Well, if it do come, I might be able to buy some fish. That's fresh fish, you know, sir?
Fresh fish.
Yeah.
I hook fish now. It's not like the season next fish or
Yeah.
overnight and spoiling and them thing now.
Right.
That boat is just go out, just hook
Mm.
and come back in.
Okay, and it coming in right here or beyond the rope?
Coming in, over on that next side here and just come through.
Oh, okay. So how will I know, you know?
Now, how you know? in an Olympic.
And then I just go and approach
Yeah.
them kind of thing. Alright.
After that, man will tell you yeah, what kind of fish you have an Olympic.
Right. Yeah, man. Alright, so hopefully later I will. What you say, Talia? Huh?
She don't know how to catch a fire.
Oh, you people don't know if you catch a fire? You think fire easy to catch? You're starting to rethink if you would pick me to be in a group on Survivor. You know the fire low-key burned me on my finger. Like a 2nd-degree burn. There's some kids here. My meat can't eat.
Can you please excuse so I can get my romper?
Excuse. Going to see, boy. We're not going to see with 21 clothes. Go on, let me show up on the camera. Ray. Hi, Taisha. Hey. Look at the jerk. Smoking. It's smoking. I saw some things in Tasha's brown bag. I want to go tell you. Time to check on the chicken. I'm just gonna flip this one a bit because I don't want it to burn. Whee. I probably should put the leg in the middle here. There it is, yes. Whee! Pan almost full. Right, sir? Okay, that's what I was asking, alright.
Nah, but I buy that one up you.
Up the road, okay.
You don't have Caravan Star, right? Buy that one up you.
Okay, we'll go and check him. Ooh, I gotta put this corn here, so and put the chicken where the fire is. Ooh, this smells delicious. So I'm just gonna cover this and let it kind of sink up. That's the sand on top of it. It's not dirty. The sand because we're on the beach.
That's your piece in the
Yeah,
bag.
it's a light. You get through there now.
Yeah, girl. That's your piece, right?
That's your piece.
I was tasting it because you wasn't here to taste it.
That's her piece.
You know, come not check out the container, the thing a burn.
Like me, I'm already.
No, girl, look where I'm Sun hotty, man. Mighty God. Yeah, just take it out. Look the fork. I don't think you need a plate over the pot,
Sorry, I'm
Talia.
feeling warm right now. Like,
The water cold. You kind of need to try it for warm you up. Now some foot top hot. We need to go swim. We need to go in the water. How was it?
it was great.
Serious?
It was the best thing of my life.
Thanks for joining the live, guys. Support, tap as you're passing through.
What is this?
Support is always appreciated. Alondra Beach. It look like me have too much pool. All the container closer to the thing, Tasia, because if you ever make that piece drop,
That is yours.
if you ever make piece drop, that is you understand? Alright. No, hold it. Cover the thing so it's cold. We have nothing else to put on. No, oatmeal. Put the bread.
Oh, no, I don't want my...
Me want my bread toast. I don't want a dry bread. Yeah.
It's real hot.
Nobody put it near your belly. So where you put that near your belly? You're haunted to put that near your belly.
Why
Look there.
Why are you doing that?
That's alright, man. You know, I feel if you look at one beer, should have carry a beer. I should have use your hand with the bread. I don't want a bread back. Yeah. For the new year, I'm not eating no bread. For the new year, I wouldn't be eating any bread. So I eat all the bread we can eat now. Look at some half cover. Man, this is your animal. How much bread you want, Talia? Put 2 more. Yeah. Come on, guys, support the live. Tap up the screen. Share the live. Tap. You have to flip it in up, I think, then sing your burn. Yeah, flip it one time. You knew how long it took us to catch this fire. Look how it's ablaze now. We should have some more chicken for throw upon it. Balandra Beach, Trinidad, guys. What the other? Bring the container, Talia. Bring that same bowl. Brother burn. Look there. One time, same speed. Cajun style or what? Put it to the side now, you don't feel that too high. Let's see what I go on here. So, food bags up our food. Alright, close the vent so the fire will out. Close the vent. That is it. You see, you tell her you're gonna hate her. Girl take the biggest corn. Yeah. Want me some ketchup on me? So the food is finished, guys. I'm just gonna add some ketchup. What the napkin? It's a bag of napkin. food is finished. It's awesome. Well cooked. Yeah? Dash here. I love keep find the place small, you know. Police for this. No, you can't. You see me? Nice?
Wow.
That's good. So what happened to mine? I could have walked one here, so. That crunch.
It's funny how they're not fighting first, eh?
Yeah, I will. Everyone knows that? You got to really fight to push it. Oh, Lord. No, give me. Lift it up now. Talia says she's doing swimming. Hey, look at it. Have to learn to swim, yeah? Zoom it down, come. So I'm gonna wrap up now, wrap up soon. Charlie in the water. Something about seawater I love. I don't really like rivers like that, but the sea, I enjoy it.